Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to organize your data tables in Backendless database to make the views of them in Backendless Console more compact by hiding the columns that you do not need. In some cases you may have a lot of columns in your data tables, and some of them you don't even work with, and therefore they may take up the real estate and you have to do a lot of scrolling to get to the data that you want. So hiding columns sometimes may be something very useful. To demonstrate how it works, I'm going to switch to the data screen, and in here I have a table called country that has quite a few columns. So let's say hypothetically that the only columns that I need are name, population, capital, and let's say continent, and then all other columns are not needed. To hide these columns, what you need to do is to click on the columns drop down, and then as you can see there is a checkbox right next to every single column. For the ones that you do not want to display, what you can do is just select this checkbox, click on it, and by doing so the columns automatically are hidden. They are not deleted, they do not go away, they're simply hidden, and thus making the display more compact, and so you can focus just on the data that you need. This does not impact the APIs in any way. If I were to switch to the REST console and then click Get to retrieve all the data, as you can see, all the columns, all the data comes back from the API calls. But in Data Browser, we have only the columns that you have identified. You can go back and enable the column, and it's automatically displayed. So it's a very convenient way of isolating only the data that you work with. The Backendless Console memorizes the settings specifically for your browser on the client side, on the browser side. So if you were to clear the browser cache and remove all the local data, it will reset back to where it was before. Or if you log in from a different computer or a different browser, you will get all the columns without the hidden columns configuration that you have identified in any given browser. So this is a very simple but effective way to customize the view of your data, of your tables, whenever you use Backendless Console more often. I hope you found this useful. Thank you, and as always, happy coding.